Here is a quick tutorial on how to get to the cruise ships in Vancouver the fast way, not the slow way almost every other video tells you. You go in the main doors. You will see those elevators. Do not take them. Go away from them. Instead, go back to the main hall. Stay to your left. You'll see the big entrance to the convention center. Then go straight down that hallway. It is a fair walk, but you'll make it. That elevator to the left we just passed, you take that after you check in to go to customs. A little further, you stick to the right and it will say check in Hall C. That is the entrance to the 3 cruise lines. Go to your corresponding ship, drop your bags off, check in, you're dancing. Have a nice day.